Malnutrition is the condition when a body does not get the optimum nutritional requirements in food. The percentage of underweight children in all the countries of the world was recently surveyed, and what is shocking is India, Bangladesh, Pakistan and Afghanistan and a few areas of Africa have children more than 30 to 40% who are underweight. That is a huge figure and it is a very shocking news. Children in these developing or underdeveloped countries do not even get 1 square meal a day. They do not get proper nutritious food that is required for growth and a proper healthy body. In most of these countries, and in most cases, both the parents are working. Even mothers go out to work. So children less than 1 year old, they do not get the breast milk of mothers. Breast milk contains all the essential nutrients that is required by a baby. Since mothers go out to work, these babies, they do not get the essential nutrient that is present in the mother's milk. So they often suffer from retarded growth, their growth becomes stunted, and they are often paralyzed. So what are the other symptoms? Let us see. The other symptoms that these babies show are less body weight, they have a stunted growth, their ribs are very prominent, their skin folds and wrinkles, and they have reduced mental growth. Now, these symptoms are of the disease known as marasmus. Marasmus is a disease that affects children less than a year old if they do not get proper nutrition in their diet. Now, children more than a year old also gets affected if they do not have protein content in their food. If they do not have proteinaceous food in their diet, they often suffer from a disease known as kwashiorkor. So what are the symptoms of this disease? Well, the children are underweight, they have a stunted growth. Even if they are underweight, they have a pot belly. If you see their legs or hands, you'll see that they are swollen. It feels like there is some liquid under the skin. And this condition is known as edema. Their skin is also scaly. If you do an ultrasonography of their abdomen, you'll see that their livers are enlarged. So their livers are enlarged and they are often anemic. What is the meaning of anemic? Well, anemia is the condition where the number of red blood cells in the blood, they reduce. So these babies who are more than a year old, they get affected by kwashiorkor and they become anemic. Their livers get enlarged. They have edema. They have stunted growth. They are underweight and they also have a pot belly. So the treatment for both marasmus and kwashiorkor is to take a proper balanced diet consisting of all the essential nutrients that are required by our body. That is, the proteins, fats, carbohydrates, all the proper nutrients that are required for our proper growth. Now, I would like to take this opportunity to tell all of you that please don't waste food. There are so many children out there who don't even get 1 square meal a day. They do not get a proper nutritional diet. And because of that, they are suffering from fatal diseases like marasmus and kwashiorkor, which causes paralysis. So, stop wasting food so that these children from all these underdeveloped countries can have proper food for a proper life. Now you will be surprised to know that even developed countries can suffer from malnutrition. The world's economic superpower, the United States of America, is also called malnourished country. Why? Let us revisit the definition of malnutrition. Malnutrition is the condition when the body does not get optimum nutritional requirements in the body. Just like undernutrition is malnutrition, similarly, overnutrition is also malnutrition. These people of the developed countries like the United States of America, they have overnutrition. They eat more food than required. And hence, even these people of the developed countries are known as malnourished.